Hey everyone, I am Arush Dikshit and you are watching Connect Tech Arush English. Please subscribe, like and share my channel so I will be motivated for creating technical videos like this. So let's get started. Today we are going to learn about some control flows statements that are if else, and there is a one more thing, else if else are used for executing a code line by line, but we want that if a particular condition is true, then only execute that code. We want this thing, and for that we will understand how control conditional statements works, and we will understand them briefly, and we will also create many projects will control flows this concept will be clear in your mind. So let's go to our computer screen and get started. So this is my computer screen. Here if I write print and hello world, uh, is it hanging little bit? So here we have to pass double quotes hello world, and we can put exclamation mark here. Now we can go here and we can write cmd enter, and when we will do this, it will automatically open your command prompt. uh, we can open that here also. So in this area I will show you how can you do that by from here. And I want to tell you a trick here. In Windows system, if you will press the Windows key on your keyboard and write cmd on the search bar, and it will find the thing for you command prompt. This is very magical thing, and I love this thing that is provided by Windows utility command. And when you will click on this, it will open a prompt for you. We have that here. It will open like this. It will open like this, and you will type cd and these double quotes like you type in Python, and you have to go to your directory and click on the path button and copy the path from here and paste that here. Now press enter and cls. uh, we can go cmd again here. Write cmd and click on this thing, and when you will do this, it will open command prompt, or you can go here and just write cmd and it will automatically open that for you, but I am showing you step by step, so I am not doing that. Here is my path, press enter. cls dir. Why it is not changing the path? It's here. So you will just see this screen right now as you are seeing here. Here your path will be appear and a greater than sign will be appear. Now you have to write Python and then your file name, that is main.py, and when you will do this thing, it will automatically run the Python file for you and it's printed. And I have showed you this step by step because I know many of them don't understand this thing because this is very advanced. So that's why I do this again and again in every video. And here if I write a is equal to 10, I create a variable a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. And here I want that if a is equal to means this value must be equal to right hand side value must be equal to left hand side. If that is true, then this thing will return true, else it will return false. And this is true, and as you know that if true will run the code block of if statement, and else here is a thing called else. Here if you go here and we can give it like this: print a and b are not equal. A and b are equal here. And then else, if this condition is not true, then run this thing. And we are saying that print a and b are not equal. And let's save this. Now we can go to our command prompt and run this again. And when we will do this thing, it will return a and b are not equal. Let's wait for the response. As you can see, a and b are not equal, but what if I write here a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 10? Let's save this and run this again. Then this condition will be true. A is equal to b and a and b are equal. And here like that we have greater than and less than operator, greater than equal to operator, less than equal to operator. I know you understand meaning of these operators, so I don't need to tell you that. So now I want that if this thing is not true, if this is not true, then instead of going to else, check this condition also, and that is a is a greater than b. A is greater. Let's save this. And if we go here and run this thing, then you will see this. By the way, it will return a and b are equal. It will return a and b are equal because they are equal. And if I say A is greater than B. A is 50 and B is 10. And we can go here and run this. And if we will do this thing, it will return A is greater. A is greater. It's returning. So, else if means if this condition is not true, then go to this condition, and if this condition is true, then don't go to any other block, just execute this and ignore these lines. And else means if everything is not true in upside block, then only run this. If everything is not true, then only run. If A is greater than B and A is not equal to B, then it is only less than B, and A, then B will be greater. And we can save this. Now if I put here 150 instead of that and run this thing, then you will see B is greater. We have the output, and this is your core understanding of conditional statement, and we will create many projects with the help of this thing. And this thing is very important, so that's why I think you need to understand it. And we will understand step by step control flows statements, and in next video we will understand about for loops in Python, and we will create so much tasks with control flows, because this is the core concept of your Python. And if you will understand this thing, then you can understand everything in the Python needed. So you can do that very easily, because conditional flows statements are very important, because it decides the flow of your control. Control means code. It will decide the flow of your control code. So that's it guys, this is my video. I hope you like this video, and this video is very clear for you.